Transform your Shopify store's browsing experience and boost sales by learning how to create organized shopping tabs with this step-by-step guide. First, access your Shopify admin and navigate to the online store section. Then click on Navigation. Here, you'll see your current navigation menus. We're going to focus on creating new menus that will act as our shopping tabs. Typically, you'll use the header menu, but you can adapt this to any menu you want to customize. To create a new menu that will represent one of your shopping tabs, click on the Add Menu button. Give this new menu a descriptive name, like Shop Clothing or New Arrivals, depending on the category you want to feature. Now, let's add items to this menu. Click on the Add Menu Item button. In the name field, type the text that will appear on your tab, for example, tops for the link. You'll want to direct customers to a specific product category or collection. Click the Collections option and select the relevant collection you've already set up in your Shopify store. Repeat this process to add more categories under your main shopping tab. For instance, if you created a shop clothing menu, you might add bottoms, outerwear, and accessories as separate menu items, linking each to their respective collections. You can also create Submenus by dragging menu items and nesting them under a main category. This helps further organize your products and improve navigation. Remember, you can link to specific pages, product collections, or even external websites if needed. Once you've added all your desired categories and subcategories, click Save Menu. Now that you've created your new menu, you need to add it to your store's main navigation. Go back to the main navigation menu list and click on the menu you want to modify, usually your header menu. Click Add Menu Item and in the name field, enter the text for your main shopping tab, like Shop or Clothing Collections for the link. Select Collections and then choose the new menu you just created, for example, Shop Clothing. This will create a parent menu item that, when hovered over, displays the subcategories you previously added. Click Save Menu to finalize your changes. And there you have it. Your Shopify store now has organized shopping tabs, making it easier for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. This improved user experience can lead to happier customers and, ultimately, more sales.